Have you ever dreamed of starting your own business but felt held back by the costs involved? Today, we're uncovering the secrets of dropshipping, an innovative approach that lets you dive into entrepreneurship with minimal investment. Stay tuned as we reveal how to make dropshipping work for you. Imagine running an online store without worrying about stocking inventory or shipping logistics. That's the magic of dropshipping. How does it work? In essence, you're the middleman. You promote and sell products online. But when a customer makes a purchase, a third-party supplier fulfills the order directly. This means you never handle the product, allowing you to focus more on marketing and customer engagement. The beauty of dropshipping lies in its low barrier to entry. You don't need thousands of dollars to get started. With just a modest amount to set up your e-commerce platform and perhaps some initial marketing costs, you're ready to go. This model provides tremendous flexibility. You can test different niches without risking capital on unsellable inventory. However, dropshipping isn't without its challenges. The key to success is selecting the right products and suppliers. Opt for reliable suppliers with a track record of quality and timely fulfillment. Although you're not holding the products, remember that customer satisfaction hinges on the supplier's performance. Research and communication are crucial to building strong partnerships. Moreover, competition is fierce in this space, making your marketing strategy vital. Craft targeted advertising campaigns and engage on social media to stand out. Build a brand experience that's not just about the products, but also about trust and customer service. In conclusion, dropshipping offers an enticing entryway into the world of entrepreneurship with minimal upfront investment. By strategically selecting products and honing your marketing efforts, you can carve out a profitable niche. Although not without its challenges, this business model holds immense potential for those ready to embrace its unique dynamics. So why not take the leap and explore what dropshipping can offer you? Follow and turn on notifications for daily side hustle gems. Need cash flowing today? Head straight to www.kawi.ell. 05 Saturn to see.